This video shows how to find a company's official website using Link Finder AI. First, go to the first link in the video description, which will redirect you to Link Finder AI, where you can create an account for free. Switch to the Link Finder AI website to begin the process of finding company websites. Click the Start Free Trial button to create your free account on Link Finder AI. After creating an account, you will be granted some free credits that you can use to start finding company websites for free. In the input type selection, choose company name as the data type to search by company name. Confirm that company name is selected as the input data type for your search. Next, select the output type as company website to retrieve the official website information. Confirm that company website is selected as the output type for the data enrichment. Click on the input field labeled Enter Company Name to specify the company you want to find. Enter a company name, for instance, Tesla, into the input field to begin the search. Click the Enrich Data button to start finding Tesla's website from the company name. This will start finding Tesla's website from the company name and display the result. If you want to try another company, click the Enter Company Name field again to input a new name. Enter another company name, such as Microsoft, to find its website. Click Enrich Data to start finding Microsoft's website from the company name. You can see that the system finds Microsoft's website and displays it accordingly. To enrich multiple companies at once, click the Upload CSV Bulk option to upload a file with company names. Click the area to drop your CSV file or select a file to upload a CSV containing company names. Click Process 3 items to process each company in your CSV file one by one. We can check the result with company website found. Click Export to download the enriched results as a CSV file for your records. Go to the API and MCP section in Link Finder AI to explore API access options. Click View API Docs to check the documentation for integrating Link Finder AI into your workflows. Click Company Enrichment to access API calls related to company data enrichment. Select the Post Company Name to Website Sync API call to find a company's official website from its name. Copy the example curl command showing how to use the API with your API key for integration.